Here I have PANASONIC Eluga Tapp, and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Here you need to scroll down and simply find and select settings. Then let's scroll down again, and here you should find and select backup and reset. From the backup and reset, let's choose factory data reset. Here let's tap reset phone to erase the following information such as Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. Tap here erase everything, and let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Let's just simply wait. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.